Chapter 4, Part 3, Translation. Elle a lu le livre à l'école. Now, lu is the past participle of lire, to read. So she has read, or she read, the book à l'école, at the school. So she read the book at the school. So we could say she has read the book at the school, but either one would be fine. Elle y a fini le livre. Okay, now we've got this strange object pronoun, y, and we have to say, aha, that replaces some prepositional phrase that starts with à l'école. She finished the book there. So finir is the infinitive, finir is the past participle. She has finished the book there, meaning à l'école, at school. Elle en a mangé. So here we've got manger, the past participle of manger, to eat. She ate. Elle a mangé. Now, if we start translating with of it, she ate of it. That doesn't sound good. She ate some of it would be a good way of translating it. C'est un livre écrit par le professeur. It is a book written by the professor. So here we've got écrit, the past participle of écrire. It is a book written by the professor. The past participle is used as an adjective. C'est une idée parmi d'autres. It is one idea among others. It's one idea among others. C'est une idée développée par l'auteur. So here again we have a développé is the past participle of developed. It's got an E on it because idée is feminine. It's an idea developed by the author.